In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The allocation of 1,116 acres of land for the establishment of a standard spice production industrial park in Kabul. The discovery and destruction of 2 drug processing and production factories in Bakwa, the district of Farah province. And Canada's $2.5 billion aid to Ukraine. Welcome to today's news package. It's Sunday, the 7th of Rajab al-Murajab 1447, the 7th of Jadid 1404, and the 28th of December 2025. The news details. The press of the Kabul governor's office stated that based on the directive of the leader of the Islamic Emirate, 1,116 acres of land belonging to the Provincial Land Authority in Mirbichakut district have been handed over to the Food and Drug Deputy Ministry of the Public Health for the establishment of the Standard Spice Production Industrial Park. Mullah Aminullah Obey, the governor of Kabul, led an official delegation to Mirbichakut district where he reviewed the process of surveying, handover and transfer of the land for the establishment of the industrial park. During the visit, the governor stated that the implementation of such projects would play a significant role in economic growth, industrial development and the improvement of the public health services in the country. The police forces of Farah Provincial Police Command in separate operation discovered and destroyed 2 drug processing and production factories in Bakwa, the district of Farah province. The Minister of Interior Affairs has expressed that 2 individuals have been arrested in connection with the case and will be handed over to judicial authorities after preliminary investigations. The news continuation. The Minister of Interior Affairs also reported 237 individuals who were addicted to narcotics have been recovered after treatment and have returned to their families. The individuals had earlier been collected from the provinces of Balkh, Uruzgan, Kunduz, Farah, Sarapol, Paktia and referred to the treatment centers. And finally, Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney has announced that his country will provide $2.5 billion assistance to Ukraine. Based on a report by Reuters news agency, the aid is aimed at enabling Ukraine to gain greater access to financial resources through the International Monetary Fund (IMF). That's the end of our news program. Further informative materials from Urooj Research and Publication Administration are available on social media platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.